Today, we'd like to continue our introduction to the 240 DMX lighting console. This time, we'll take a look at the basic operating procedure. We'll show you how to use the 240 console to control your lighting fixtures, as well as how to connect them. As you can see, the console has 12 fixture buttons from P1 to P12. Each of these buttons can be used independently to control one lighting fixture. The console can control up to 12 fixtures at the same time. The fixture assigned to P1 should be set to DMX address A001. Each fixture address is spaced 16 DMX channels apart. The remaining addresses can be set in the same way. P1 corresponds to 001, so P2 corresponds to 017. For the remaining fixtures, simply continue adding 16 to each address. Now that we've covered the console setup, let's take a look at the fixture connections. This is the power cable. These two ports are the DMX signal input and output. DMX in is the signal input. DMX out is the signal output. First, connect the DMX output from the console to the DMX in port of the first fixture. Then connect another DMX cable to the fixture's DMX out port. Take the other end of that cable and connect it to the DMX in port of the second fixture. Repeat the same process to daisy chain the remaining fixtures. This completes the fixture connection. Once all the fixtures are connected, the next step is to set their DMX addresses. First, activate the fixture's display. When the display is not showing an address beginning with A, press the menu button until the DMX address setting appears. Set the first fixture to DMX address A001. Then press the fourth button to confirm the setting. Next, we'll set the address for the second fixture. Press the second button labeled up. Following the addressing sequence, add 16 to 001. The second fixture should therefore be set to 017. Continue until all fixture addresses have been set. Then return to the console. We'll now demonstrate the complete control procedure. First, use the fixture selection buttons on the console. Select the fixtures you would like to control. In this demonstration, we have 6 fixtures connected. So we'll select these 6 fixture buttons. Next, raise the first fader to bring up the intensity. The second fader controls the red channel. The next fader controls the green channel. And this fader controls the blue channel. You can also combine the channels to create mixed colors. The fixtures respond quickly, and the controls operate smoothly. That covers fixture connection with the 240 console, DMX address configuration, and the complete basic control procedure. For more practical lighting console tips, please stay tuned and follow us. We look forward to sharing more with you in the next tutorial.